Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel Salsa and Bachata Moves, where we break down salsa and bachata moves. My name is Alexandros, with me is Andrea. We're from the Island of Cyprus, and I'd like to thank you for all your support. And a small side note, after 20 years plus of teaching, I created my first complete beginner downloadable course. Now if you're an advanced and you're watching this move, you might say, what do I care? Well, you might have friends. If you trust me to show you something, maybe you trust me to show them their first step in their journey of salsa. And if that's not enticing, since I'm not good in marketing, I let it go to other people. You guys, when you click the link, it's the second one in the description by the way, you can go and see the product, you can see the course, you can read the description, and on the right there's a little link that says make $13 by selling this. If you send that link, that affiliate link, you will be receiving in your PayPal 12 euros, $13 every time. So if you sell 100, you make 1,200. It's up to you. I'm just going to leave it out there because that's not my job. This is Let's Go to Music. Hey guys, thank you for watching once more. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, the lesson is in the info cards in the description. And if you like to support this channel, me and Andrea, you can support us financially through a link we have in the description. Takes you to PayPal, which is safe, and you can give any amount of donation. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.